Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so there's a saying that everything that has a beginning has an end. Yeah, and it's definitely true. So we started this project in Accra and we are about to complete it. It's an electrical wiring work. Well, I want to put out this shout out to Papa, as we affectionately call him, Papa Sly, Mrs. Owusua, Mr. Prince, Master Joe, and all other guys who worked with me. I thank you so much for the opportunity, and I really appreciate it. And so they gave me this opportunity to work on this big building. So we are here to complete these tasks. We are here to complete the few items. Most of the stuffs are done. So we are here to just complete a few ones. So stay good. I'll come again with an update. It has been quite a while, and now we've come to the end of the road for this electrical work here. So there's the TV cable and the solar cable. We've wrapped it with this sack so that water and sun will not shine on it. Okay. So this is the socket for the poly tank to feed the motor for the poly tank. These are the two here to surface recess light here. These are another two surface recess lights here. And the surface lights here. These are external lights. Okay, now we're coming to the first floor. These are switches. This is the family area. A 110 volt, 220 volt sockets. Another one here, TV outlet. These are recess lights. Recess light. This is actually the family area, still in the family area. These are the switches. Okay, still in the family area. Oh, it's where the distribution board will be positioning. Air conditioner here, air conditioner switch. Additional lights here. There's the video room. With the CCTV camera cables, then the TV kosher cables. And these are sockets, see, various switches, switch, air conditioner, various sockets, switches, sockets, and the TV outlet. There's the bedside switch, 110 volts socket, air conditioner switch, and also fan regulator and normal switch there. Okay, so ceiling fan positions or outlets and ceiling recess light. There's the washroom. There's the washroom. There's a socket for shaving or for hair dryer. There's a switch for the mirror light, and mirror LED strip light. There's the light for the hand wash basin stuff. There's the light for the where they will keep the soap. There's the washroom lights. It comes with LED strip and the normal recess, ceiling recess light. Okay, so that was the bedroom 1 and this bedroom 2. So the same thing, switches, sockets, both the 110 and the 220-volt sockets, TV outlets, the bedside switches, fan regulator, AC switches. There's a washroom for the bedroom 2. These are the lights. There's another external light, 4 surface recess light here. There's the chandelier right there. The chandelier right there. Okay, there's the bedroom 3. Okay, there's a switch here, socket outlet plus TV outlet. These are surface recess lights, surface or ceiling recess light or ceiling light plus the fan, ceiling fan, bedside switches and stuff. There's a washroom switch. You turn this on before you enter into the washroom ceiling light. Soap dispenser light. There's the light for the hand wash basin stuff, socket for shaving or hair dryer, switch to control the mirror lights and other lights here. And now to the master bedroom. There's the master bedroom. There's a switch when you are entering from the main door here. There's the switch. It's a control switch. It's control with this one on the bedside. Various outlets here. There's the switch or the outlet for the special design LED light. These are a set of external recess light. And there's the washroom ceiling. There's the washroom ceiling light. The LED strip right there. Okay, so I will end the first floor and I'll continue with the ground floor. Okay, so the staircase was pulled down, so there's a new set of staircase slide right here. These are switches. That's the doorbell right there, and the ceiling recess light. There's the hall. There are switches, a socket outlet, ceiling light. Okay, so this from the outside. This is the carport. Okay, so this is the ground floor. So I may not capture every part because it's dark in here. So I might be able to capture where there's a bit of visibility. This external light here. These are the wall light. Oh, what the damn. Okay, so these are two doorbell switches, one for the boys quarters and another one for the main building. Okay, so I might not be able to go into the boys quarters because the tower is a new tower room. Okay, there's the switches, there's the boys quarters. So these are ceiling lights, ceiling fan. These are switches and fan regulator, socket outlet right there. There's the washroom. There's the power room, but it's a newly tiled room, so I can't enter here. Okay, I can use. Okay, so in the power room. Okay, all the circuits are here are directed to this side.